Hi investors, my name is Bharat Bahal. I'm a lead financial trainer at Immaculate Trainers. Investors should always invest most of their money into diversified funds and should invest less money into focus, thematic or sectoral funds. Why it is said? Let us understand. Suppose the investor has chosen a focus fund. So focus as a category can invest into maximum 30 stocks. So that means it does have a fair bit of concentration. And since these funds are active funds, so the conviction of the fund manager has a role to play. So if fund manager's conviction doesn't play out well, so it can result into underperformance for focus fund because there is a play of concentration also. And for thematic and sectoral funds, so if you're investing into these funds, you have to invest 80% of the money into a theme and 80% of money into a sector. Just 20% is left for diversification. Now again, these are again active plays. So if conviction of the fund manager goes wrong here, so massive concentration is there, and on top of that a conviction goes wrong, it can result into a massive underperformance for these funds. So if you study the sectoral funds over last 3, 4, 5 years, plenty of them have underperformed markets massively. But what happens in case of diversified funds? So diversified funds, they invest across sectors. So they can invest into 50, 60, 70, 80 stocks. So concentration on side of sector is not there. Concentration on side of stock is not there. So if the conviction of the fund manager goes wrong into 2 or 3 sectors and maybe 5 or 6 stocks underperform, then there are plenty of other stocks and plenty of other sectors that can result into the outperformance of the fund. Return expectation of diversified fund is less as compared to thematic, sectoral or focus fund. But again, the additional performance of these funds come with an additional risk. So diversified funds have lower risk as compared to these funds, and that is why the return expectation is less. But retail investors should concentrate on risk also. These funds generate decent returns, optimum returns, and should be invested for long term. But if you want to play, 5 or 10% money can be invested into sectoral, thematic or focus plays, but maximum money should go towards diversified funds. Thank you.